In the heart of South Asia, where tradition dances with modernity and innovation fuels economic prosperity, Sri Lanka has been earmarked as a promising and vibrant new landscape where dreams are stitched into reality. And those dreams are being led by none other than JB Apparel, a beacon of excellence in Sri Lanka's thriving apparel industry, where every thread tells a story of dedication, quality, and craftsmanship. At JB Apparel, we are not only passionate about making children's and ladies' garments of the highest quality, but embodying a philosophy of creating a unified, enriching, and exceptionally qualitative experience to all our stakeholders. Our commitment to this philosophy is evident in our growing popularity that has led to our steady and rapid expansion. With dedicated teams for testing and quality assurance in plants in multiple locations in the country, we ensure that each piece bearing the JB Apparel label meets the highest standards of excellence. Our strength lies in our people, a diverse, dedicated, and talented team united by a passion for innovation and a relentless pursuit of perfection. With a strong focus on our identity of being a proud Sri Lankan apparel manufacturer, we define ourselves as being reliable, flexible, sustainable, and uncompromising in our execution of quality, which is why JB Apparel has earned worldwide trust and admiration. Our modus operandi lies in delivering value-driven, ethical apparel that is proudly manufactured in Sri Lanka. This makes it more important to us that we do not just measure our success in numbers, but in the lives we touch and the communities we uplift. With cost-efficient operations and a robust, continuous improvement framework, we have consistently delivered value to all involved. We currently operate in an ecosystem of 2 mega manufacturing plants, churning out 250,000 pieces a month with a total of over 1,100 employees collectively. This is in addition to extensively spread out operation centers locally and internationally. Our factories are invested with the most state-of-the-art technology, with a goal to improve productivity and quality with minimum environmental impact, making JB Apparel the most attractive and formidable kids and ladies' wear manufacturer in South Asia. So join us and all our world-renowned partners that we empower and embark on a journey of true greatness together in delivering unparalleled apparel excellence to all. Together, we are more than just JB Apparel. We are a collective force of positive change and unrivaled excellence.